This is John here with another tip, tricks, and pitfall. Basically, I want to go over how we're using a plywood template to manufacture our soffit frames, and then go in a little bit more depth on other uses on how to lay out our hanger wires, how to lay out our cross tees, use the template to adjust your height to pre-bend your wires and make the soffit go up that much faster. So here I'm using my story pole method. Going 3 foot, I've got a V because I need to cut and bend this up on itself. Then a 1 foot, so that's this number right here. I'm going to bend it over, I need to notch it. Come over 3 foot and bend up with a 6-inch upturn, and that's what I have right here. So I've scribed it. I've pre-cut this one, and we're going to fold this thing. And the template, plywood template, is really good when you have a lot of frames to make of the same profile. It really ensures that they're all going to be the same. This happens to be the center of our soffit. This is a 12-foot wide soffit we're building. Flatten these bulbs over each other. Put in our DW90 clips. You'll notice I've got other dimensions on the template here. Got my hanger wire locations that line up with my route hole. I've got my T layouts marked out. So now you'll see, before I take this out, we have a can light in the center of this soffit. So this T layout works perfect. I'm going to mark my T's. So when they go out to the job, the installers know exactly where to put the cross T's. You'll also notice I've got my hanger wire location right through the DW90 clip. It's from the center of my soffit. It's 35 1/4 over, 12 3/4 up. This wire is 65 1/4, 12 3/4 up from this rough framing mark. And other than that, this is basically done. When I pull this off, we've got the frame here. Our T's are marked. And we could actually send the dimensions to the job, or a second crew could be pre-installing the hanger wires and pre-bending the height, as you'll see in our video on how it really speeds up and controls quality on your soffit. Laying out the hanger wires, using the template for everything, can really minimize your kickers. You'll see on the soffit that we've just built, we're only kicking it every 8 feet, and it's completely free-floating, suspended by wire.